Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Gabs Kitchen Adventures. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And for today's recipe, I'm sharing a cilantro lime rice recipe. I am adding half a stick of butter, 1 cup of rice. I'm using brown rice today, and 7 cups of water. I am adding the rest of the ingredients in the rest of the video, and stick around so you can see the rest of the videos. I do hope you enjoyed today's recipe. You can accompany it with tacos or your favorite recipe with meat or any other recipe. Thank you so much, and click the subscribe button if you would like to see more recipes like this one. Link in bio.